This $300 wallet doesn't hold cash, but it might save your crypto fortune. Before we dive in, click the link below for an exclusive discount on the Ledger Stax. Now let me tell you why this might be the most expensive wallet you'll ever love. The Ledger Stax isn't just another hardware wallet, it's basically the iPhone of crypto security. That curved e-ink screen? It can display your favorite NFTs, making your wallet as unique as your portfolio. Plus, it charges wirelessly and stacks like Legos. Because apparently even our wallets need to be Instagram-worthy now. But here's the real deal. This thing supports over 5,500 cryptocurrencies and keeps everything offline, away from hackers. The touchscreen makes managing your crypto actually enjoyable, not like solving a puzzle every time. Sure, $300 sounds steep for a wallet, but when you're protecting potentially thousands in crypto, it's basically insurance with style. Ready to upgrade your crypto game? Hit that link below for your special offer, and let me know in the comments what you think about premium hardware wallets.